Guys, how you doing? I just got a package in the mail from Jada Toys, and I thought it would be cool to share it with you guys. So apparently Jada Toys have a new product, which is, instead of doing the cars, they're doing the Fast and Furious house. So I usually always order 2 out of everything because I like to party. No, I'm just kidding. I always like to keep 1 in a box, something that my buddy Rich taught me, and another one would be stored one of them I always open, and the other one I always keep in its own box. But yeah, dude, this is really cool. This is I believe $39. I'm not sure if it's available in the US yet. I know it's available in Germany and in Europe, but this is super cool. So I guess there's 13 parts in it, 2 vehicles, the Supra and the Charger. And we have like a foundation, the driveway, the house, the padding it's on, the garage. This is this is really cool, and it's pretty detailed. I mean, the house, I live in LA, so I live like probably 10-15 minutes away from the actual Fast and Furious house, and I can tell you that this is really accurate. Recently they painted the house blue, and this is still white like the movie. This is cool. This is really cool. So let's open this up. So yeah, the other one, I'm gonna keep it in the box. Let's see. Here. Can put this right here. Let me twist this around here. Okay, so what do we have here? Let's see. Honestly, I mean, I collect those Jada Toys 1/24 scale die cast, and I know I'm a kid in a way, but I don't know what you call it, a collector, what you call it, a kid. My wife just wants to kick me out, so I don't know how she calls it, but okay. So this is, let's take this out here. So this is the actual house, and we got some more parts over here. I guess that's the driveway and some grass pieces. Oh, dude, we got the table, the picnic table that they were sitting on. Okay, so let's see, feeling like a kid here. Hi everybody, thank you for joining in. This is the new Jada Toys Fast and Furious house. So I guess we got this is the back. This is the back of the house, and the garage is supposed to sit here. This is where the picnic table is supposed to go. And I guess this is the street, and this is another part of the driveway. So is that supposed to go? I'm so horrible in this. Let's see. So this is supposed to go maybe like that. What do you think? Am I good? Let's see. Okay, so we got that, and now we got the Supra here. Open this, and there's another one here. Don't let me cut myself. There's another one here. Here. Sorry. Let's see. So this costed me $39. I bought it from a place called House of Cars here in California. So they sell everything Fast and Furious stuff. This is actually cool because that's the backdrop of LA, and in the movie, the first scene when you see the eclipse with Brian O'Connor in the background when he loses control after the Dodgers stadium, That's actually the spot. So that's really nice. Okay, what do we have here? Twist. Okay. I guess this is out. Yeah, making a mess over here. Let's see. Okay, so we got that. Okay, so this is the house. And then we have the cars. Should I mess this out? No, okay. This might be the coolest thing Jada have made. Yeah, I agree with you, Gabriel. Okay, so how do I get those cars out? I know I'm gonna cut myself for sure. No, let's see. So we got the Supra over here. It's a cool. Is that like 164? I think it's even smaller than a 164, which is kind of crazy. It's supposed to be silver wheels. All right, let's put it over here, and then we have the Charger, the backdrop. Okay, I'm good on with you. So this is the Charger. Really cool. So that's supposed to sit in the garage. Now, okay. So we got the house, we got the garage in the back. Huh? The garage door even opens. Am I a kid? You feel free to tell me I'm a kid. So can I put that? Let's see. So if that's supposed to be okay, so we got the table, which is gonna assemble that in a second. We got the Supra, we got the Charger, we got the house with the garage. I think that piece comes out if I wanted it to. And then I'm sure that's supposed to be the street. Hold on. Okay, so if I look at the picture, so that's supposed to be the street, that's supposed to be the driveway, and yeah, that's supposed to be the back. Okay, so bear with me, I'm not that knowledgeable. So is that supposed to go? So wait. I think the house is supposed to go out. Okay, so we got the garage out. Now that piece supposed to go, I'm assuming, like that. Okay, so now we have the back of the house, and the garage can sit nicely over here. That looks about right. Okay, and now this is supposed to be the driveway of our beloved neighbor. Fun fact for you guys who don't know, the house in LA with every Fast and Furious movie obviously has the driveway on the side, and we have the garage in the back, and then they're picnicking in the back. Only most of you guys don't know, this driveway right here and that whole area where the garage is in the movie actually belongs to the house next to it. So this driveway does not even belong to this house. This house is a multi-family home that has another unit in the back, and both of them don't have a garage, don't have parking, which is crazy. So the neighbor to the right really don't like when people show up and take over the street. Okay, let's put the street piece on. So that's here, that's here. Okay, let's just click that on, and there you go. You have the full house, even with the street and the driveway. And if any of you wanted to know how it looks like, so let's just put it over here. And I guess we're supposed to put the Charger over here. Yeah. And wait, where's the table? I knocked it out. Okay. And it's a Supra. in the movie, blocking the driveway. Dominic, move your car. I'm not running. This is the actual, what is it? It's I'm gonna cut myself for sure. Okay. This is the picnic table. Basically, that's in the movie. They have just like 2x4s, like 3 or 4 or 5 2x4 pieces that has like just rims, you know, like next to each other. So we got the table, we got some chairs that kind of messed around here, and we got the grill. Let's help those chairs. I guess all I need is the figures, huh? This is really cool. So let's see. Okay, I'm too big and clumsy for that. So we're gonna put the table over here, and we're gonna put the grill over here. I think it was right here when Ludacris and Tyrese was barbecuing. And this table to be, I have no idea even how this chair is supposed to be. How are you supposed to sit on this chair? So I'm guessing like that. So let's, or maybe like that. Yeah, maybe like that. Okay, let's put those chairs around it. So again, I know I'm losing followers because it's pretty childish at the moment, but guys, this is the new Jada Toys Fast and Furious house. It's available. I'm sure it will be available in any Walmart and Target anytime soon for $39 or $29, something like that. I bought it from a place called House of Cars in Riverside, California. And I just got it. I usually buy 2. One of them I normally open, and the other one I just keep in the box. So this is my collection of Jada toys that I've been collecting for a while, and I have a bunch of them that's still in the box, and I have some racing champions up there, and this is my cup system, not air ride cup system for the GTR, and if you guys recognize the radio. So pretty cool. If you guys collecting those Hot Wheels or Jada toys, this is really, really cool for 39 bucks. Highly recommend it. Go get it. Thank you, Jada Toys, for making such a cool addition to the collection. Alright guys, just wanted to share. Have a beautiful day.